Hi, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to look at the tree testing analysis. Okay, so jumping back onto the website, we are going to tree testing here, and we're going to click on view analysis. And this takes us to an overview page here. So we've got some details here of how many participants have completed the tree test, the time taken, the location. Then we've got some information about tasks. And then we've got some direct success, indirect success, direct failure, and so on. So we've got a key here, and this chart is interactive, and you can hover over it to see some information as well. It gives you some percentages. So, clicking onto the analysis tab and clicking on participants, similar to card sorting, we've got all the participants here, the time taken, and we've got some actions here to exclude them from the results. You've got some filters here, and like the other one, click on the question mark, and it gives you a very short video here on how to use this section. So moving to the questionnaire section. So these are the post-study questions. It's giving us information again, similar to the card sort, of the questions you've asked and the answers and the percentages of the answers here. Moving over to task results, we've got by question, we've got some charts that we can look at to see the success or failure of where people have gone in the tree test. So it's giving the correct answers here. So you're renovating your home and you need a new stove. Where would you go to find one? This hierarchy here. So going to home, products, kitchens, cooktops, or again, home, products, kitchens, ranges. Those are the ones that have been set to the correct answers. So you can see here that 50% was successful, 70% failed, and 33% had indirect success. So you can view the pie tree here. If you click on that, it's going to open it in a tab. And it's interactive, so you can change, let's change it to radial, and you can zoom in so you can see from the home screen how many people got the correct path and the incorrect path, or how many people went back from here or nominated a different answer or skipped the task altogether. So you can click around and get some of the percentages of where people have been clicking. Okay, I'm going to close that tab. So you've got all your questions down here, all the same kind of information. You can go click in, you can view the pie trees, you can compare some tasks. So you could compare task 1 here with task, so you select the study here, let's select task 2. If you want to just see some side-by-side analysis in this view, it may be helpful for you. Okay, I'm going to close that. So back up to the top, so you can download all the responses, or you can download some filtered participants only. Going over to sharing, you can share the results. You can share the results publicly, you can share them in a secret URL, and this kind of unlocks some other options down here. You can also encrypt it with a password, which is really useful. So I think that's it. I think we've covered all the tabs here. This study, by the looks of it, is still going. So you can save as you go. I think it auto saves anyway in the browser. You can end the study here. But I'm going to go back to the dashboard. Okay, so in the next video, what we're going to look at is chalk mark. So that would be first click testing. We've got some example studies here to look at. So I'm going to try the example for chalk mark, the first click test. So we'll have a look at that in more detail in the next video. So thanks for getting to the end. Like and subscribe, add any comments, and I will see you in the next video.